Hi, I'm Anne. I'm a dental hygienist with the Verber Dental Group. Pros of being a dental hygienist: the schooling it can be 2 years, it can be 4 years. So when I was done, I had minimal school loans. I was able to pay off our school loans rather quickly. Another pro is often the good pay. We had to work hard for those 2 to 4 years, but we have a really good pay. A con of being a dental hygienist could definitely be it's hard on the body. Repetitive motions, forgetting the ergonomics you learn in school just to kind of get to the patient. Another pro of being a dental hygienist I enjoy is getting to know the patients. I worked at Verber Family Dentistry for over 10 years, so really was able to get to know people, get to know their families. It was nice to be able to pick up conversations where we left off and just building good relationships with our patients. Another con is, it is the medical field, so you can run into some patients that are more difficult than others, or some people are just, I don't know how you can work in people's mouths. And for the most part, all day, every day is fine. But you are working in the medical field, so sometimes you might see things that's a little bit harder to look at. Another really good thing about being a dental hygienist is you can have a flexible schedule. You can work part-time, you can work full-time, 3 days a week, 4 days a week. And currently right now we know it's a very high demand job. So, finding a job is pretty easy, and then working it to kind of fit your schedule sometimes can help. Another con for some people might be the repetitiveness of it, the heavy workload, fast-paced environment. You're kind of doing almost the same thing every day or every patient. I mean, every mouth is different, but it can start to feel repetitive for some. For some people, they like that. It can just help them stay on schedule and on task and get through the day. The day does go by fast. Another pro is the high demand right now. Job security, again, part-time, full-time options, and it can, whatever you need, you can probably find right now. Okay, another con I think most hygienists would say is definitely the picky patient. Whether they're constantly late and that just messes up your schedule, and I hate getting behind. Some forget to tell the hygienists things, and then they tell it to the doctor and they come in about their health history updates. I've had some people stay on their cell phone and just not understand that your time is valuable. Another pro for being a dental hygienist is we're able to leave our work at work. Sometimes we might have things to think about at night, but we can't physically bring our work home. Our patients are not able to come home, so when we leave, we clock out. Another pro for being a dental hygienist is, you're helping people stay healthy. You're helping them, with their systemic health, with everything to keep them happy and their smile really nice. And on the other side of that, we often get goodies sent to us in the break room from other offices. Patients bring it in, so we help keep their teeth clean and eat their goodies. Another con for some hygienists could be the transferring their license if they want to move. It is becoming a little easier, but some states require different requirements or retaking the licensure tests. And so if you're somebody that's in the military moving around a lot, that would definitely be a con. That would be a lot of work to do all the time. Another pro, I'd say, with the Verber Dental Group is there's a bunch of different offices. So, sometimes it's a flexible schedule. We can fill in at other offices, help each other out that way, and it kind of gives you a change of scenery. Another pro of being a dental hygienist is definitely the relationships with the other dental hygienists in the practice. Really get along. We're there to help each other. If you get behind, somebody's in your room quick helping clean up, giving you tips or ideas to help get through the day. Another con of being a dental hygienist for some people can sometimes be if you have to call off. There's so many people depending on you that day that made their appointments 6 months in advance and planned their day around coming to see you. So if you're not feeling well or your child's sick and you have to call off, you feel guilty because you're ruining other people's schedule. Another pro is you're working in the medical field, but you don't have to work holidays or overnight shifts. We talked about a pro being there to help people healthy, but a lot of times too, and of course with your smile, it's about looking good too. So, seeing people come out really happy with the work that our office did always feels good. Once you do find an office where you find a good fit, that's always nice. You like to go to work, you like to see your patients, you like to see your coworkers. Overall, I would say the pros definitely outweigh the cons. Especially again, the high demand, easy to find a job now. And especially when you find a good office to work at and you can be there for a while if you want to be, and the camaraderie with your fellow employees.